Question number 1, model number 7 from Maasr book. Number 1, choose the correct answer. 1. Number 1 here, space product by 3 over 4 equal 1. It will be reciprocal. Reciprocal about 3 over 3, it will be 4 over 3. 4 over 3 product by 3 over 4, it will be 1. And 4 over 3, it will be 1 and third. So you must choose letter A about question number 1. It's reciprocal about this number. Question number 2, parallelogram with area 45 square centimeter and the height 5 centimeter. Then its corresponding base will be what? Right, 45 divided by 5 equal 9. Because the area of parallelogram equal base times corresponding height. Base times corresponding height. Okay, then question number 2. We can write the corresponding base was area divided by corresponding height. The area was 45 divided by height, then the result will be 9 centimeter. Question number 3. From the opposite rectangle, the ratio between length and perimeter equal what? We can find the area between rectangle by length times width, and the perimeter of rectangle equal twice the sum of length and width. The perimeter equal twice the sum of length plus width. Then you can find the perimeter of this rectangle by write 2 times sum of 2 dimensions, 10 and 5. The result will be 2 product by 15, it will be 30 centimeter. It's perimeter. He won't find the ratio between what? The ratio between length and perimeter. You won't find the ratio between length and perimeter. The length was 10 and the perimeter we get here 30. We can divide it by 10. Height common factor between two numbers. 10 divided by 10 1 and 30 divided by 10 equal 3. Then the ratio between it will be 1 to 3. Okay, then we must choose letter B, 10 to 30, and the simplest form will be 1 and 3. So we must choose from choosing here letter B. Next question, from the opposite 10 by 10 grad, we want to find y minus x. We have 900 divided by, we have some of them, these boxes. 1 unit here, it will be what? X. 900 divided by 100 equal 90, equal 9. Because we have 100 box, or we have 100 units. Then 900 divided by 100, the number of units here was 100. 900 divided by 100, it will be 9. And then the value of each box will be what? 9. Then we can write y here. How many parts? We have 8 parts. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. We have colored these 8 parts. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. He colored 8 parts. Then we can write 9 product by 8 equal 72. Okay, then y will be 72. He won't find y minus x. 72 minus 8 equals 64. It was 9. Okay, I will clear it again. It was 9. It was 9. And 9 product by the value of each one was 9. 9 times 9 1. Okay, it's clear. The pen will be clear here. Okay, then y will be 81 because the value of each box 900 divided by 109. Then he won't find y minus x. Y was 81 subtract by 9. It will be what? Here 11 minus 9 equal 2, and we can write here 7. Then question number 4, you must choose what? I will solve this example again. We have 9 and we have here he colored how many parts? Colored 8 parts. Okay, 8. Then the value of each box was 9. Write 9 product by the number of boxes 8, it will be 72. Then we have here the value of y was 72. Then 72 minus 9 equal what? 12 minus 9 equals 3, and write 6. Then the result will be 63. Shows that RC about this example. Understood? Again? Okay, I will explain this example again. To find the value of each box here in this grade, 10 by 10 grade, we can write 900 here divided by 100. It will be 9. And the value of y, he colored how many parts here? He colored 8 parts. 8 parts, and the value of each one of them was 9. Then 8 times 9 equals 72. And then he wants to find the difference between y and x. Y minus x equals 72, subtract by 9 equals 63. Okay, 63. Next question, number 5. From the opposite number line, we want to find the value of x. Look at here, double number line. We have here x and the sum of all numbers 700, and we have 170 or 700, and we have here 30%. We can find the value of x by write how many parts here? 1 and 2, and then write 700 divided by how many parts here? We have 10 parts. We have here 10 parts. 700 divided by 10, it will be 70. Then we will eat 70 in one step. 70 here, write 70, and 70 plus 70 equal 140, and the value of x, 70 times 3 equal 210. Or you can write 0 plus 70 equals 70. 70 plus 70, 140. 140 plus 70 equal 210. Okay, understood? Then the value of x will be 210. Shows letter C about question number 5. Okay, it's very easy or not? You can solve this example by another method, or you can do this step. 700 product by 30 over 100. Okay, the product of extremes equal product of means. Then cancel double 0 by double 0, and 30 times 7 equal 210. Okay, we have two methods about this example. You can write 700 times 30 divided by 100, or you can write 700 divided by 10 parts. The value of each part was 70. 70 plus 70 plus 70, it will be 210. Choose letter C. Next example, the volume of cuboid whose length is 9 centimeter. All dimension 9 and 5 and 8. We can find the volume of cuboid. Equal length product by width product by height. The length was 9 and width was 5 and height was 8. Write 9 product by 5 times 8 equal 40. Write 0 and 4 times 9 equals 36. Then the result will be 360 cubic centimeter. This is the volume. Okay. Question number 7. Which of the following is the best price? The best price about what? Letter. You look at here, we have 25 per 5 kilogram, right? 25 divided by 5 equal 5 Egyptian lira per 1 kilogram. What about letter B? We have 6 kilogram per 36 Egyptian lira. You can write 36 divided by 6 equals 6 Egyptian lira per 1 kilogram. Letter C, we have 30 kilogram per Egyptian lira, then 3 lira per 1 kilogram. Because he write 1 over 3 kilogram per 1 Egyptian lira, then the price of 1 kilogram, it will be 3 Egyptian lira, right? Reciprocal about third, it will be 3 over 1, 3 Egyptian lira per 1 kilogram. And letter D, we have 4 Egyptian lira per 1 kilogram. Then the best price here, it will be letter C. About question number 7, choose letter C. Okay, it's the best because the price of each 1 kilogram was 3 Egyptian lira. Is the price best? Okay, or is the best price? Next example here from the opposite double number line. If Sally used 2 cups of flour to make a tart, then she used 8 cups of flour to make space tart. She used 2 cups to make a tart 1. Okay, then the unit rate will be what? 2 cups per 1 tart. Then she used 8 cups of flour to make how many tart? Okay, she used 2 cups to do 1 tart. Then the unit rate 2 cups per 1 tart. Okay, then he asked about she used 8 cups to do how many tart? Right, 2 times 4 equal 8, then 4 times 1 equal 4. Or you can use the product of extremes equal product of means. Then she used how many tart? 8 product by 1 divided by 2. Then the number of tart will be 4. She used 4 tart. Question number 2. Choose here. Question number 2 here. Okay, it's example number 1. Okay, I solve here question number 2, but we have question number 1. I will solve here after this example. Then the number will be 4 about question number 2. And what about question number 1 here? Question number 1, product between 9 tenths and 9 tenths and 60 and half. Okay, it was number 2 and here number 1. Product between two numbers, write 9 over 10, product by 605 over 10. 10 times 10 equal 100. And here 9 product by 605. 5 times 9 equal 45. And 6 times 9 equal 54. And the result will be 4.45. Okay, it's the result. Understood? Result will be 54 and 45 hundredths. And what about question number 2? The result here. Result here about question number 2 for tarts. Okay, next example. Question number 3. 50% plus half. 50% plus half. Half was 50%. Some of them it will be 100%. It will be 1. Question number 4. Half percent of 1 kilogram equals space gram. Half percent meaning half divided by 100 of its meaning product. 1 kilogram it will be 1000 gram. Understood? Percent is meaning divided because we have the percentage. It's a ratio between two numbers. Second term is 100. And then we can write 1 over 2 product by convert from division to multiplication. Write reciprocal about 100 will be 1 over 100 product by 1000 gram. Cancel double 0 by double 0 and then divided by 2 it will be 5. Then the result will be 5 gram. The result here will be 5 gram. Question number 5, the area of the opposite trapezium. We can find the area of this trapezium by two methods. First method, we can divide this trapezium to 3 parts and find the area of each part. And the last step, you can add area 1, area 2, area 3. Or you can find the area of trapezium by write the rule. Area of trapezium, half of the sum of two bases product by the height. Okay, you must know this rule. It's very easy to solve this example by easy method. Easy method told us here the area will be equal half the sum of two bases product by corresponding height. Half of 11 plus 5 equals 16, product by 4. Half of 16 it will be 8. 8 times 4 equals 32. Then the result will be 32 square centimeter. It's the area of trapezium. Question number 6. From the opposite model, 2 divided by 3 over 4. How many 3 forces into? You can write 2 product reciprocal about 3 over 4 to be 4 over 3. 2 times 4 equal 8. 8 over 3 you can convert from mixed number, proper to mixed number. 2 times 3, 8 divided by 3 equal 2 and remainder 2. Because 2 times 3 equals 6, 6 plus 2 equal 8. Then the number of 4/3 into how many 3 forces into? We can write 2 divided by 3 over 4 and convert from division to multiplication. Okay, then the result will be 2 and 2 over 3. Next example, number 7. Square paste pyramid. Square paste pyramid. We have square paste pyramid. Okay, here like this. We have the base here. The base was square, and then we have one here, triangle, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 3 triangles, 1, 2, and 3, and here in this part 4 triangles. Okay, congruent in the area. He give us in the example the parameter of the base. He give us the parameter of square in the base was 24 and 4 centimeter. The base was square. Then we can find the side length of the base by write 24.4 divided the number of sides here 4. Then the side length will be what? 24 divided by 4 equals 6, and 4 divided by 4 equals 1. Then the side length in the base it will be 6.1 centimeter. And give us the area of each triangle face was the area. He give us the area of triangle was what? He give us the area of triangle. It was 30.5 square centimeter. He want to find the surface area equal what? Okay, we have 4 triangle congruent and 1 square in the base. To find the total area, you can write 4 product by the area of one face, 30.5, 4 rectangle or triangle, 4 triangles. The area of one triangles equals 30.5 square centimeters. In the area of 4 triangles, it will be 4 times 30.5. And then you can add 2, 6.1, reverse to 6.1 product by 6.1, the area of square. You can write the area of square 6.1 product by 6.1. Understood? Again, he give us in the example the parameter of square. The parameter of square was 24 and 4 tenths. You divide it by 4 to find the side length of square, and then you can find the area of square. Area of square equals side by side. Understood what I do? Understood or not? Again, he give us parameter of square was 24 and 4 tenths. You divided by 4 to find the side length of square in the base was 6.1 centimeter. And then you must find the area of square by product side by side, because the area of square was side by side. You can write 6.1 product by itself to find the area of square. 6.1 product by 6.1, we can product them here in this draft. Write 61 plus and write 0. 6 times 1 equals 6. 6 times 6 36, and then you can add them. Okay, the result will be what? 0. 6 plus 6 12. 2 and carry 1, 6 plus 1 7, and write 3. Then the point will be after 2 places. Then the area of one square, the area of square in the base was 37 and 2 tenths, or you can write to here, it will be 37 and 20 hundredths. And the area of one face was 30 and a half, triangular face. We have four triangular face. We have four triangular face. 4 product the area of each one to get the area of 4 triangle, and then you can add to the result the area of the base, area of square. You get here 37 and 20 hundredths. We can find product between them. 4 times 5 equal 20, 3 times 4 equal 12, plus 37 and 20 hundredths. You can add them. 0 and 2, 7 plus 2 it will be 9, 3 plus 2 5, and write 1. The result will be 159 and 21 hundredths. Was 1 plus 0 equal 1. 6 plus 6 2, 12, 2 and carry 1, 6 plus 1 7. Write this number here. 37 and 21 hundredths. Okay. Plus 120 area of 4 triangular in the face, and some of them will be 159 and 21 hundredths square centimeter. Next example, the point -3 and -4 lies in the third quadrant, third here, negative and negative. Next example, question number 3. Number 1, the volume of cuboid surface base side length 14.2 centimeter and the height 6.5 centimeter is space cubic centimeter. He won't find the volume of cuboid. It will be area base times height. He give us the side length of square base was 14.2. We can write 14.2 product by itself because the area of square side by side, and then product by corresponding height 6.5 will be 6.5. Then we can find the volume by product 3 numbers. Okay, and the point here after 1 place, 1 place, 1 place, after 3 places, here 3 places, it will be what? Question number 3. Here choose letter D. Okay, choose letter D. The volume will be 1310 and 66. Because 2 times 5 equal 10. And write 0 outside. Here, then the result is this number. Question number 2. Space percent of 240 equals 60. We won't find here the percentage. To find the percentage here, you must divide the part over the whole number. Write 60 divided by 240 and then reduct by 100 all percentage. You must divide it by 100 and divide it by 100 to convert to percentage. We can cancel 0 by 0 and 6 times 10 will be 600 over 24. 6 divided by 6 equal 1 and write double 0. 24 divided by 6 equal 4. 100 divided by 4 it will be 25%. The result will be 25%. Choose letter C. Question number 3. From the opposite table, find the value of unknown. Here he won't find the value of whole numbers by write the part divided by the percentage. Okay, to find unknown from the table, write the part 57 divided by the part divided the percentage 30%. You can write 57 and convert from division to multiplication. Write the circle about 30% to be 100 over 30. And then you can cancel 0 by 0 and 57 divided by 3, 3 divided by 3, 1. 5 divided by 3 equal 1 and the remainder 2. 27 divided by 3 it will be 9. Then we have 19 times 10. It will be 190%. Choose letter D about question number 3. Question number 4, which point is close to x-axis? Close to x-axis, it's meaning what? It's meaning y, the absolute value of y is very, very smaller. Question number 4, we must choose letter what? Letter D, because we have 0 and 2. The absolute value of y was 2. Or you can write here, first point 2 and 5, second point 7 and 6, third point 1 and 4, and the fourth point 0 and 2. We can write the absolute value of y. We have x and y. To find the distance between each point and x-axis, we must find the absolute value of what? To find the distance between point and you want to find x-axis, okay? X-axis. We want to find the absolute value of y, the distance between this point and x-axis. You can find the longest of y. How many part here? It's meaning the absolute value of y. This part reverts to y, such that 2 and 5, this point 2 and 5, the absolute value of y was 5 units here, and 7 and 6, absolute value was 6. Absolute value between 1 and 4 and x-axis, it will be 4 units. Absolute value between 0 and 2, then the point 0 and 2, it's nearest to x-axis here because the distance between this point and x-axis was 2 units. So you must choose letter D, last one. Question number 5. If the ratio between the two numbers 2 and 5 and the smaller number is 10, then the greater number, it will be what? We write here the ratio between two numbers 2 and 5, and give us the smaller number was 10. It's more smaller number, then the greater number will be what? We know 2 times 5 equal 10, and then 5 times 5 equal 25. Then the greater number will be 25. Choose letter D. Next question. He won't find the length of BC here. He give us the area of this triangle. The area of triangle was 15 square centimeter, and give us AD was 5 centimeter. He won't find BC. To find the PC, you must write the rule. We know the area equal half product by the base here BC product by the height AD. Half times the base times the height. Okay, half times the base times the height. Write half product by the base BC product by AD. Height was 5 and the area was 15. Okay, who can tell me the value of B? To find the length of the base, you can write the area times 2 divided by 5. Then BC will be equal 2 times 15 divided by 5. 15 divided by 5 equal 3. 3 times 2 equal 6. Then the length here will be 6 centimeter. Question number 7. Which of the following ratios is not equivalent 32 over 64? We know 32 over 64, it's half, because 32 half of 64. 32 over 64, it will be half. Letter A, 16 over 32, it will be half. Which letter B, 18 over 34, it's not equivalent to half. Then you must choose letter B, because 18 over 34, you can simplify it by divided by 2 numerator and denominator. 18 divided by 2 equal 9, and 34 divided by 2 equals 17. Then you must choose here is not equivalent 32 over 64. It will be letter B. Choose letter B about this example number 7. Next question, letter A. If Wael has 40 Egyptian lira and Ahmed has 32 Egyptian lira, find the ratio between what Wael has and the total sum of money is in the simplest form. Okay, he won't find the ratio between what Wael had and the sum of number. Okay, Wael has what? Wael has 40 Egyptian lira and the sum of Wael and Ahmed 40 plus 32. You can write 40 and some of them it will be 72, and then you can simplify it by divided by 2 here and then divided by 2 again, then you can divide it by 4. 40 divided by 4 equal 10, 72 divided by 4, 7 divided by 4 equal 1, and remainder 3, 32 divided by 4 equal 8, and then you can divide it by 2 again. 10 divided by 2 it will be 5, and 18 divided by 2 equal 9, then the simplest form it will be 5 to 9. Or you can simplify it in one step by divided by 8, height common factor between two numbers. You can divide it by 8 in one step. 40 divided by 8 equal 5, and 72 divided by 8 equal 9. Next question. Layla has 6 liters of milk. She needs to divide it into small bottles of 3/4 liter of each. How many bottles will she have? We can find the number of bottles by all amount here was 6 liter divided by the amount of each one is 3/4 liter. We can write 6 product by reciprocal here 4/3, and 6 divided by 3 equal 2, 2 times 4 equal 8. Then we need, or Layla need, 8 bottles. Okay, 8 bottles. Next example, question letter C. An employee saves 600 Egyptian lira monthly. If this monthly income is 3,000, find the percentage of what he saves monthly. Okay, he saves 600, it's the part, and the whole number, the total number 3,000. Convert by product by 100 and then divided by 100. Cancel double zero, 0 by 0. 60 divided by 3 equal 20, then the result will be 20%. Next question, calculate the surface area of the opposite prism, triangular prism here. Okay, we can solve this example by dividing this triangular prism. We have two triangles congruent. We have two triangles congruent. We can find the area of each one. We have base 30 and the corresponding height was 14 and 4 centimeters. This height 14 and 4 centimeters. Then we can write area 1 reverse to area of triangle. Okay, area of one triangle it will be half product by the base product by corresponding height. Okay, half of 30 product by this number, raise 30 product half of this number will be 7.2, and the 0 here will move the point right hand side by one place. Then 3 times 2 equals 6 and 3 times 7 equals 21. Then the area of one triangle it will be 216. We have two congruent by this triangle, then the area of each one of them it will be 216 centimeter.